Facebook marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves using Facebook's platform and tools to promote a brand, product, service, or business. It enables businesses to connect with a vast user base, engage with potential customers, and build brand awareness. The core components of Facebook marketing include 1. Facebook Business Page. A Facebook business page serves as the foundation for a brand's presence on the platform. It allows businesses to share information about their products, services, company culture, and contact details. Users can follow and engage with the page by liking, commenting, and sharing posts. 2. Organic posts. Organic posts are non-paid content shared on a Facebook business page. Businesses can share updates, photos, videos, blog posts, and other content to engage their followers. The reach of organic posts is limited, as Facebook's algorithm prioritizes content based on relevance and user engagement. 3. Facebook ads. Facebook ads are paid promotional posts that businesses create to reach a targeted audience beyond their page followers. Advertisers can use various ad formats, such as image ads, video ads, carousel ads, slideshow ads, and more. The Facebook Ads Manager allows businesses to set budgets, target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, and track ad performance metrics. 4. Targeting and custom audiences. Facebook offers extensive targeting options that enable businesses to reach the most relevant audience. Advertisers can create custom audiences based on website visitors, app users, or customer lists. Lookalike audiences can also be generated to find users similar to existing customers. 5. Facebook Pixel. The Facebook Pixel is a tracking tool that helps measure the effectiveness of Facebook ads. It allows businesses to track website visitors, conversions, and user interactions. By using the Pixel, businesses can optimize their ad campaigns and retarget users who have shown interest in their offerings. Messenger marketing. Facebook Messenger can be utilized for customer support and engagement. Businesses can set up automated chatbots to respond to inquiries and provide personalized messages to users. Facebook groups. Facebook groups are communities where people with common interests can interact and share content. Businesses can join relevant groups or create their own to engage with their target audience on a more personal level. Insights and Analytics. Facebook provides data and analytics through its Insights tool, offering valuable information about page performance, user engagement, and ad metrics. This data helps businesses refine their marketing strategies. Remarketing and retargeting. Through Facebook ads, businesses can retarget users who have previously interacted with their website or engaged with their content. This technique reinforces brand awareness and encourages conversion. Influencer marketing. Businesses can collaborate with influencers or content creators on Facebook to reach their followers and tap into new audiences. Facebook marketing allows businesses to connect with billions of active users, offering tremendous opportunities for brand exposure, lead generation, customer engagement, and sales. However, success in Facebook marketing requires strategic planning, creative content, continuous optimization, and an understanding of the target audience. Businesses must stay updated with Facebook's features and algorithms to make the most of their marketing efforts on the platform.